Welcome to the JVF team. We're so excited to have you join us. But before you can get started here, one of the first things we need to do is get you logged into our sites. Let's break it down step by step. You should have already received your JVF email and password. So step 1 is to visit webmail using the URL you received and check that your email and password are working. Once that is all set, we can get you logged into our WordPress sites. WordPress is the software that JVF uses to create websites for both our own company and our clients' companies. If you've ever heard of design platforms like Squarespace or Canva, WordPress is similar to that, but more advanced, meaning you can make your sites a lot more detailed. Now, JVF has 3 main WordPress sites that employees work from: the main public-facing website, the company portal, and the client support portal. The company portal and the client support portal both require a login. To log into these sites, you will receive URLs in your welcome email. Click on a URL and you should be taken to a login screen. Type in your JVF email under username. Instead of typing in your JVF email password, click lost password. Once you do this, you should be sent an email with a new URL you can reset your password from. You can either create your own password or use the recommended one. Either way, save your password somewhere safe. You will need it next time you log in. It is important to complete this process for both the company portal and the client support portal. Each will have a unique password. Sometimes this process is a little finicky, so if you have any problems, be sure to ask James or one of your fellow team members for help. We're here for you every step of the way. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching!